Welcome back. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up terms and conditions, T&Cs, that can be reused in quotations, service contracts, vendor agreements, or any type of engagement model. We begin in the configuration module, where the terms and conditions application is located. From here, we create a new T&C record. Each entry requires a name and a type. The type determines whether the T&C will be included directly in the contract as an inclusive or attached separately as an annexure. In this demonstration, we select inclusive. Next, we define the category. For this example, we select leasing, but categories can be customized in the drop-down list to suit your organization's needs. Along with the internal name, you can also provide a print name, which is the label that appears when the contract is generated. If required, a native name can be added to support multilingual contracts. For example, if the document needs to be generated in both English and another language, such as French. We also specify the operating unit where this T&C applies. In the description, we can mention, to be used in all service contracts signed to engage a vendor for providing heavy equipment services. This simply acts as the description of its purpose. Once the T&C template is ready, we start adding individual terms. Each term can include a reference number, for example 1.1, 1.2, and so on, to maintain sequencing, though this is optional. A title, for example ownership, a setting to choose whether to print or hide the reference number and title in the document. The detailed content of the clause. And as optional, author remarks for internal notes. So in the T&C template, heavy equipment rental, we have added clauses such as ownership, which is set as the first clause. It has been configured to display the title, but not to print the reference number. Then rental period, added as the second clause, with not to print the reference number but title. Next payment terms, added as the third clause. Subsections can be defined here as 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, providing flexibility in structuring detailed terms, and delivery terms, added as clause 4. With subsections 4.1, 4.2, it could be 4.1.1, 4.1.2, and so on. Additional terms, such as compliance requirements, service level agreements, or penalty clauses, can also be added easily. Once saved, the T&C template becomes a reusable asset. When you click on any clause title, the corresponding description is displayed below for easy reference. These T&C templates can be applied across quotations, purchase orders, customer contracts, vendor agreements, leasing contracts, and other engagements. This ensures consistency, reduces errors, and streamlines contract preparation. In future videos, we will demonstrate how these pre-configured T&Cs can be directly applied in actual documents. For now, we have covered the configuration process for reusable terms and conditions in the system. This is a key step in building a standardized and efficient contract management process. Thank you for watching.